Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. Thank you for tuning in. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play one scale, or like one type of scale, which will help you play melody lines of a whole bunch of songs. Will enable you to play really kind of nice, effective melody lines on the piano. So let's get into the video. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you two types of pentatonic scales, and then I'm going to demonstrate to you 10 different songs using this scale. So 10 different songs that you should know, you should recognize, and I'll list them on the screen as well. So I'm going to teach you 3 ways you can play the minor pentatonic and also the major pentatonic, and also how they can relate to each other as well. So a pentatonic has 5 notes. So if you take the word pent is 5, like a pentagon has 5 sides. There are different types of pentatonics in music. So let's dive into this theory behind the scale and how to figure out the minor pentatonic starting from any note. So it's of course taken from the minor scale. So I'm going to teach you 3 different minor pentatonics today. So let's have a go at playing E minor pentatonic. So the scale of E minor, E natural minor, is this. So the minor pentatonic takes the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 7th notes from the natural minor scale. You can see here that it forms a very distinct pattern. So a note, miss a note, 3 notes, miss a note, note. The E minor pentatonic scale is just based around all the white notes. Another minor pentatonic scale that also just uses the white notes is the D minor pentatonic scale. So all I'm doing there is shifting my hand down 1, using the same pattern. So the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 7th note of D minor scale, which is this. And then one more we'll look at is A minor pentatonic. So A, C, D, E, G. Again, that same pattern. Again, it takes the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th notes from the A natural minor scale, which is just all the white notes. So if you're into writing songs or looking to write music, the minor pentatonic is a really kind of foolproof scale to use as your melody line. It's quite difficult, you have to try really hard to make it sound bad. So even playing any of the notes together. Any combination of the notes within that scale fits together, for lack of a better term. So taking the A minor pentatonic, it's a really nice one to practice improvising. Obviously I'm not going to go in depth with harmony in the left hand today. We're just looking at the melody, the scale. So now we know how to play at least 3 minor pentatonic scales. Again, I've just picked the ones that I think are the easiest because they're all based around all the white notes. So now we're going to have a look at the major pentatonic and how these relate to the minor pentatonics that I've showed you on A, E and D. So we're going to have a look at G major pentatonic, which is G, A, B, D and E. So it takes the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th and 6th notes from the major scale. So you'll notice that these are the same notes, if I shift them in a different order, of the E minor pentatonic scale. That's because E minor and G major are relative to each other, meaning that they have the same key signature, they're the same notes. The second minor pentatonic we looked at was D minor. So the major version of this is F major. So the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th notes from the F major scale. So D minor and F major have the exact same notes in the scale and they're relative to each other. And the last one we looked at was A minor. So the relative major, so the major pentatonic, is going to be C major. So C, D, E, G, A. So they are both relative and share the same notes in the scale and have the same key signature. Now I'm going to show you 10 different examples, just excerpts from songs where the melody line uses a pentatonic scale. The song might not necessarily be in the key that I'm playing it in. I'm just going to play it using one of the scales that I have showed you. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the demonstration. tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. In order to request a piano tutorial, you do need to be subscribed and you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. All requests are noted and considered. Make sure to hit the notifications bell because your request could be coming up soon. I will see you in the next one.